camera. Surveillance.
Now hold my post.
Surveillance.
Yeah.
New name.
Yeah.
Alright.
New name and
So you sound
surveillance.
so aggressive.
No, so you just...
I don't mean put you up in like corner.
I'm tired. Dada, how long before? What?
Eh?
What?
Me don't say nothing.
You like video better? Half an hour.
Don't worry, I'm going to practice right this time, okay? I'm going to right this time.
Say thanks to Karim, because I can't do this 7 times.
7 times what?
Yes, yes, yes.
Is called letter link. So, it's letter link. So both of you will call a letter at the same time. And whatever letter is called, the first person to call a word, beginning and ending.
Alright, so Shelly will be the start letter, Sir will be the end letter.
Right. So if you say K and E says E, one of you has to call a word that begins with K.
And ending with E.
And once you call that word, you get the point.
And I'm stressed, yeah. Come, people, we're ready. Okay, Christ. Alright. Ready? Bye.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Team. Team.
No, I just one person to say it?
So shall we get it? She first.
Because she said,
Is
it's
it-
a speed game.
Yeah.
Ready
Shut
again?
up.
Go.
Team score, please.
S.
Sons.
Ready?
Yeah?
There was a sausage in the morning. Go.
P.
P.
Yeah.
Pep.
Ready?
Nice.
How much am I go?
5. Ready? Go.
M. Mars.
Yeah, that not good. M, end with R.
Oh, M end with R.
Start with M.
Start with M.
End with R.
Start with M. End with R.
R.
Murder. You do say. I call it so much, it's supposed to come out.
So that's 2.
Tiebreaker this.
Is there one more?
Yeah, tiebreaker.
Go.
F.
Sorry.
Go.
N.
Q.
You have to say the letter C in time.
Hold on.
Once you hear go, you just call it. Go.
B.
I.
I.
Let me start with B and end with
Start with B, end with I.
B.
B. Booby.
What do you mean booby is not a word? What is booby?
Ask you what booby.
My daughter.
Get out of here, man. That day the English dictionary one.
Of course.
Behind it with that.
Only give you?
Oh, no.
No, himself it is a word. So add that me a check. Me not say nothing else. Yes, booby is a word with several meanings. Most notably as a German term for a young boy or lad, and as the name of an indigenous people and language in Equatorial. No, you in a Malay, but booby is not a word.
Lady knows that we mean boy.
Dimples, Jaja, Bambi.
Yeah.
What about to Barkley?
Bye.
Barkley can be spelled two ways.
Why?
That's spelled with I.
Can spell with I too.
B-I.
We never hear that. Shot.
Like that. Shut.
Bassi, Bindi.